Hello dudes, my long time wish to go for Athirapilly Waterfalls, so that's why I just make a trip to Athirapilly Waterfalls. I just book a train ticket to Chalakudy. So from Chalakudy we can get bus for Athirapilly Waterfalls. Alapula train is always occupied because it's one of the world famous tourist spot. I just get a RAC ticket, so pre-plan and book your train tickets before at least 60 days. This train operates 7 days a week. So from Chennai Central to Chalakudy, at most 11 hours travel. From Chalakudy, we can reach 7 a.m. So I stepped down into Chalakudy at around 7:15 a.m. Then I am looking for some good restaurants near Chalakudy. After that, I found one small restaurant in railway station. I just finished my breakfast in that restaurant. Dishes are good, not much luxurious. So after finish my breakfast, I just go for a private bus stand. From railway station to Chalakudi private bus stand is around 3 kilometers, but unfortunately I didn't get any bus, so that's why I take auto. So the auto charge is 60 rupees. It's only 3 kilometers, but we are new to this place, so that's why we give 60 rupees. So after 3 kilometers journey, we reach Chalakudi bus stand. From Chalakudi bus stand, every 30 to 45 minutes the bus is there. So this is the Athirapilly Waterfalls bus. So the ticket rate is 40 rupees. It's around 35 to 40 kilometers. The travel time is between, depends upon the driver. So my bus's travel time is around 2.5 hours from Chalakudy bus stand to Athirapilly Waterfalls. The scenery, the surroundings are great. So after 2 hours journey, we reached Athirapilly Waterfalls. The entry ticket is 50 rupees for runs. The clock room is available, 30 rupees for clock room. They charge 20 rupees for plastic water bottles. It's a refundable amount. So if you have any water bottles, you just pay 20 rupees, and the opening time is around 7:30 to 8 a.m. The closing time is 5. So after 5 is not possible to enter Athirapilly Waterfalls. The Athirapilly Waterfalls is most beautiful place in South India. In Tamil Nadu, many waterfalls is there. In Kerala, including Athirapilly Waterfalls, lots of there. But it's very famous because Bahubali, Tamil movies, some songs name I forgot it. Lots of movies are captured here, so that's why this place is very famous in South India. Be caution while bathing at the top view because the water sometimes after 2 or 3 the waterfalls force will be increasing. So be caution, as well as it's a very good spot for taking picture and video. So after May month, June, July, August is rainy season for Kerala. So before June, you must plan to go for Athirapilly Waterfalls. After rainy season of Kerala, you just make a plan and go for Athirapilly Waterfalls. In rainy season, it's not possible to bath as well. And special advantage for girls in Athirapilly Waterfalls, dress change room is available for girls. So apart from that Athirapilly Waterfalls, I can't see these kinds of facilities available in waterfalls. So this is a very good advantage, and 2 or 3 shops available.
சிலு சிலுவென்று பூங்காற்று மூங்கிலில் மோத வாசனை பாட்டொன்று கேளு கண்ணம்மா. அலை அலையாக ஆனந்தம் தாளமும் போட பூங்குயிலாட்டத்தை பாரு கண்ணம்மா. மேல் கீழாக அருவியெல்லாம் இங்கு மனம் விட்டு சிரிப்பதின் சொல்லு கண்ணம்மா. அன்பின் நிழல் வீசுதே, இன்பம் விளையாடுதே, பாறைக்குள்ளும் பாசம் இழையோடுதே, வெயில் வரம் தூறுதே, காடே நிறம் மாறுதே, மேடை இன்றி உண்மை அரங்கேறுதே, சொர்க்கம் இதுதானம்மா மேலே கிடையாதம்மா, சொற்கள் கொண்டு சொன்னாலும் புரியாதம்மா, சிலு சிலுவென்று பூங்காற்று மூங்கிலில் மோத, வாசனை பாட்டொன்று கேளு கண்ணம்மா, அலை அலையாக ஆனந்தம் தாளமும் போட, பூங்குயிலாட்டத்தை பாரு கண்ணம்மா.
Tírale